What if your kitchen could heal you? These 15 anti-inflammatory food fight your disease, boost your immunity, and taste amazing. I will show you easy recipes to add them to your daily meals. Stay till the end of my secret healing gold milk recipe. Welcome back to Likita's Foodie Studio. I'm Likita, and today we are tackling chronic inflammation, the hidden culprit behind diabetes, heart diseases, arthritis, and many more. The best part is you don't need fancy supplements. Your kitchen is packed with powerful natural disease fighter. First and foremost, let's understand what is inflammation. Inflammation is your body's defense, but when it's chronic, it damages your healthy cells. Signs including joint pain, fatigue, skin problem, and digestive issues are caused by inflammation in your body. Signs show that anti-inflammatory food can reduce this risk and help you feel best naturally. So, let's understand what are these anti-inflammatory powerhouse and recipes which are already available in our kitchen which can make you much healthier. Let's together unlock the healing potential within your pantry. These everyday ingredients are packed with components that actively combat inflammation. Curcumin is an active component of turmeric and is a potent anti-inflammatory substance. Gingerol targets pain and swelling effectively present in the ginger. Sulfur components present in garlic are a powerful inflammation reducers. Spinach, methi, and amaranth leaves are rich in protective antioxidants. Tomatoes are high in lycopene, especially when cooked for enhanced absorption. Essential for cellular inflammation control, walnuts and flax seeds are rich in omega 3s. Berries like your strawberries, blueberries, and even Indian jamun are rich in anthocyanins, which are effective in reducing the inflammatory markers. Olive oil contains olivocanthal, a natural anti-inflammatory agent. Almonds and pumpkin seeds are abundant in vitamin E and healthy fats. Green tea, which is rich in a type of antioxidant called EGCG that protects cells from natural damage. Cherries help to reduce uric acid and joint discomfort, acting as a great source of anti inflammation. Broccoli, which has sulforaphane, activates crucial anti inflammatory pathways. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats and vitamin E. Sweet potatoes, rich in beta carotene, actively reduces the inflammation. Dark chocolates contain 70% of the flavonoids which supports heart health and reduce the inflammation. Incorporating these anti-inflammatory ingredients into your daily meal is simpler than you think. Here are some quick, flavorful recipes. First and foremost, we have golden turmeric milk. Shimmer 1 cup of milk with 1 teaspoon of turmeric, pinch of black pepper, cardamom, and honey for a soothing anti-inflammatory bedtime drink. Next, we have ginger lemon tea. Boil 1 pinch of fresh ginger with 2 cups of water. Strain it and then add fresh lemon juice and a spoonful of honey for a warming digestive aid. Spicy garlic chutney is the next in the series. For this, blend 6 to 8 cloves of garlic with red chili powder, pinch of rock salt, and a splash of sesame oil. This is perfect with flatbread or as a flavorful booster. Let's see more anti inflammatory delights. starting with palak dal. Cook protein-rich tur dal with fresh spinach, grated ginger, and a dash of turmeric for a wholesome, iron-packed meal. Next, we have walnut flax laddu, which are our energy bites. Blend walnut, flaxseed powder, and soft dates. Roll into bite-sized ball for a portable omega-3 rich snack that satisfy our sweet cravings. Next up, we have our favorite tomato rasam, a tangy, warming South Indian soup. Boil ripe tomatoes with tamarind, turmeric, black pepper, and fresh curry leaves. Great as a soup or amazing with the rice. Nextly, we have berry yogurt bowl. Combine fresh or frozen mixed berries with plain yogurt or a Greek yogurt and a drizzle of honey. Top with a sprinkle of flaxseed for an antioxidant boost. Now, let's see quick and nutritious snack bites. We have avocado chat as our first snack bite, where you smash your avocado with finely chopped onion, tomato, fresh lime juice, and a sprinkle of tangy chaat masala for a refreshing snack. Second in the series is our sweet potato chat. Roast sweet potato cubes with turmeric and cumin. Serve warm with a vibrant mint chutney for a delicious beta carotene rich treat. Next, we have dark chocolate, which are our favorite energy balls. Blend soft dates and almonds, then mix with rich cocoa powder. Roll into small bowls and coat with desiccated coconut for a satisfying antioxidant packed dessert. Let's look at a sample anti-inflammatory meal plan for a day of delicious and anti-inflammatory eating. This plan ensures you are consistently nourishing your body and fighting inflammation from morning to night. Let's start with a ginger shot or a green tea or even a masala tea in the morning. For breakfast, you can have your golden turmeric milk plus walnut flax laddu. In the lunch, you can have the mix of palak dal, brown rice, broccoli sabji, or even avocado chat as a side. For your snacks, you can have berry yogurt bowl and nut and mixed seeds. For your dinner, you can mix up tomato rasam with a side of steamed vegetables or sweet potato chat or even with a plain rice. Finally, we can have dark chocolate as our final energy bowl in the dessert section. This plan is flexible and can be adapted to your preferences, ensuring a diverse intake of anti inflammatory components. Well, how do we succeed in this? Always opt for a fresh seasonal ingredients which are rich in nutrients and flavors, ensuring maximum anti-inflammatory benefits. Combine turmeric with black pepper. The pepperlin in black pepper significantly boosts curcumin absorption, multiplying its healing power. Aim for a balanced plate, abundant of vegetable, healthy fat, and whole grains. This synergy amplifies the anti-inflammatory effect. Remember, food is part of a larger picture. Stay well hydrated and ensure you get sufficient sleep, that is, quality sleep. Lifestyle choice profoundly impact the inflammation. We have explored the incredible power of food in combating chronic inflammation and boosting overall health in this video. Your kitchen is a powerful ally in your health journey. Embrace these natural remedies and feel the difference. So, which of these anti-inflammatory food or recipe will you incorporate into your kitchen first? Would you like a detailed meal plan or more easy anti-inflammatory recipes for your busy day? Please let me know in the comments below. Did you enjoy this 15 anti-inflammatory food recipes and a sample made for the day? If so, please hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more healthy food ideas and wellness tips. Want a detailed meal plan or more disease fighting recipes? Do let me know in the comments below. I will definitely try to make much better ideas and wellness videos in my upcoming contents. Thank you so much for watching me. Have a good day.